Hi there, my name is Landon Thomas here at Unique Specialty and Classics. I am in sales. Just a crazy week here as far as fresh current inventory coming in. A lot that's not even on the website yet. I can kind of run through it here briefly here with you. A couple of my personal favorites growing up, square body Chevrolets, K10s, regular cab short boxes, 4x4s. We have a 1980 and a 1985. Both have the 5.7 liter, which is the 350, not the 305. Very solid trucks. Another few good ones here. 55 Pontiac Star Chief, two-door hardtop is just beautiful, super straight, super solid. Actually has dealer installed air conditioning, which is something you don't see every day. Another good one, 67 Camaro RS convertible, red with black, just gorgeous car. 2009 Mustang Bullet with 12,000 original miles, the iconic Bullet Mustang. Gotta check that one out. Got a 63 Buick Riviera and a 1946 Lincoln Coupe that still has the V12 engine in it. So that's awesome. We're excited to get those cleaned up and really get a good look at them. I know any of those really honestly aren't going to stick around very long at all. Anybody has followed us, and obviously here in Minnesota, our season has unfortunately come to an end locally. Scenery is now starting to turn white. Unfortunately, everybody locally as well is putting their cars away, their toys and whatnot. But we had a great season. Would like to thank everyone again for coming to visit us at the shows, allow us to see their cars, and we got into some very cool collections this summer. We just honestly had a blast. Final thing I have, maybe someone else has already mentioned it, but we do have a new member to our team. It just happens to be my nephew as well. He's taking control of all of our social media and the cool videos like this one here. So welcome him to the team, and glad to have him aboard. All right, guys, again, so before this hot, fresh inventory actually makes the internet, have any questions, give me a call or email at sales@uniquemankato.com. or give me a call at 507-386-1726. Thanks. Haha, that's what you get, son.
What do I get?
Yeah.